topic for today is about applying of quality standards. The first thing that we need to do in applying quality standards is to assess quality of received materials. These are the factors that must be taken into consideration when choosing the right material for their components and assemblies. Selection of material, testing of material, and the cost of material. Number 1. Selection of material. Material selection is one of the most common tasks for design engineering. The ability to assess the material's impact on the performance of a product is crucial for reliable performance. Example, the HP, Canon, and the Epson for printer, and for some computer hardware is the Intel. Because the reason for that is that sometimes buyers are also considering the label or the name of the company which are producing great quality of materials and are known in the market. Number 2, the testing of material. The testing of material properties is widely understood to be the key to obtaining data for a project, performing failure analysis, or understanding material interactions. Material testing also provides information on the quality of incoming and outgoing products. So which means inspection test equipment and techniques are demonstrated for a wide range of materials and assemblies during the task. The purpose of the testing of material is it provides the participants with both knowledge of the common failure boats. And the number 3 is the cost of material. The cost of material is also considered when buying or selecting materials for a specific project. The amount may vary but never taken for granted the quality of the material. You have to consider these questions if you are going to buy a material. The number 1 question is, will you buy a material which is less expensive but worse in quality? Or will you buy material which you cannot afford? So, those are the questions that you need to ask yourself before buying a material. Because people look for places which can meet their standards and right cost for that materials. Always remember that the characteristic of common materials for increased security is also a great factor in the design and planning process. Evaluation of longevity criteria and assessment of site environmental factors are very vital to project planning, which means specific knowledge about project and general common sense must dictate design and material selection. Before planning and designing takes place, you should evaluate the material options and system requirements. This means that the characteristic of the materials to be used for a specific project must be, number 1, of good quality. This is the most important factor when choosing the materials to buy. Products with good quality are long-lasting and safe to use. The second is reliable. It means that you can be sure that it will perform its function well. It will also operate safely and it will give you the best it could give. And the last one is the low cost. It doesn't mean that you will choose for the less expensive one and exclude the quality. Low cost means you can afford to buy materials without hurting your pocket and being assured of better quality.